Hi, welcome back. As you can see, I have a very exciting Hubman and Chubgirl haul to share with you. It is my Halloween order, my planner subscription for October, as well as some additional things I got in that theme, and a new subscription that I got, the sticker subscription, because normally I only get the planner and the journal. The journal one isn't here yet, it hasn't arrived. But I will show that whenever I'm setting up my journal for October, so you will get to see that. But for now, let's get started and we'll start with the Halloween stuff. This is this year's Halloween theme, and the main character is a ghost this year. So this is the kit, and it's a mini planner kit, so there's 2 sheets, and it's called Spooky Booze. So this is the first sheet, and it has purple and orange and black colour scheme, really lovely. And then this is the second sheet. So normally her kits that come with the planner subscriptions that you'll see in a minute have 6 sheets because they're made to last you a month, but this is a 2-page kit to be used just for 1 week. So we have Monday to Sunday once and 1 weekend banner. And then the character of the ghost is dressed up as lots of different Halloween characters. There he is, it's Frankenstein, that's so cute. Then I got some of the larger sticker sheets. This first sheet is called Scary Boo. Look at that wee one's face holding the lollipops and the wee one sticking its tongue out. And then Spooky Jack-o'-lanterns. There's lots of smaller stickers on this sheet, which is good if you need little space fillers. Let's Dress Up, and we have the ghost as a witch, as Dracula, Frankenstein, a cat and a mummy. Very cute, and I got 2 of these sheets. So that's the larger sticker sheets. And then I got some of the smaller sticker sheets as well. So we have Dressed Up Booze, which is dressed up ghosts. Boo. That one's funny. Jack-o'-lantern Booze. And finally, Haunted Houses. You line them along the bottom of your planner in place of a washi. That'd be a really good idea. And then I got 2 of Halloween Booze limited edition vinyl die cuts. There was other stuff in this collection. There's a washi and everything. I didn't buy everything. And if you've never used my code before, ruthsarahltd, you'll get 15% off. I'll leave the link to the shop below. Doesn't matter if you've shopped there before or not. As long as you've never used the code before, you'll get 15 off. So this is a ghost peeking out of a pumpkin, the Dracula ghost, the ghost sticking its tongue out, a ghost coming out of a green haunted house, and a ghost coming out of an orange haunted house. Okay, and then I absolutely loved last year's Halloween theme. I love this year's too, that's why I got some, but last year was my absolute favourite. And they restocked it, so I couldn't help myself buying some more. My little niece is obsessed with cats, so I actually gave her 1 or 2 sheets. So I wanted to replace them. So we'll start with the large sticker sheets that I got. So the character last year was a kitten. There were ghosts in it too, but the main character was a kitten. And the colours are green and purple and black, and I love it. It's my absolute favourite. Anyway, so this one is called Happy Halloween. I don't know what it is about the little sticker of the cat with its back to you. I really love it. It's like its little butt. I don't know, I'm weird. Anyway, and then we have Creepy Kitties. So Frankenstein, a skeleton, a witch, Dracula, lots of different options. And then Spooky Booze. So you did get ghosts last year, but like I said, the main character was the cat. And if you compare the ghosts, you'll see they are different. So these ghosts are designed like a head and a full body, whereas the new design is more of an all-in-one. Don't know how else to describe that, but you can see. And then I also got some more of the die cut stickers in the collection. These are called Halloween 3. And the vinyl stickers are UV resistant and water resistant, by the way. So we get a ghost hiding behind a tombstone, Dracula cat, a witch cat, a mummy cat, and a witch ghost. Right, now moving on to the Little Red Riding Hood theme, which kind of falls into Halloween as well because it's the October theme and you can see it as sort of a fairy tale or fancy dress or something. Anyway, this is the planner subscription and it comes in a double-sided sleeve. So we'll start with the main kit. There's a song by a group called Sam the Sham and the Pharaohs, and it was released in 1966. I don't know if any of you will have actually heard of it because it is a very random song. It's called Little Red Riding Hood, and every time I say Little Red Riding Hood I think of that song and start singing it in my head. I actually really like the song, but if you listen to it, please don't think I'm strange. I just think it's funny. Anyway, right, so this is the Red Riding Hood Planner Kit, and as I said earlier, it's for the full month, so you get 6 sheets. This is the first sheet. The characters are adorable. My favourite is the wolf. And then the second sheet. Third sheet. Fourth sheet, fifth sheet, and finally the 6th sheet that has the days of the week. Then we get our journaling card. I absolutely love this. Red Riding Hood going through the forest and the wolf peeking out and spying on her. Chubgirl has such a gift at, what am I trying to say? If you told me I would do a Little Red Riding Hood theme in my planner, I would have said, no, that's not really for me. But she has a way of making themes really universal and adorable. Her stickers are addictive anyway. So that's the journal card. And then the add-on thing that you get in this subscription is a magnetic bookmark. So it's like a cool tone red on the back. And on the front, again, the cool tone red, and then Little Red Riding Hood in amongst the forest and all the mushrooms. Then you get 2 vinyl stickers. We have Red Riding Hood in amongst the trees with an apple, and the big bad wolf peeking out from those trees. And then the larger sticker sheets is the final thing that we get in this subscription. So we have Little Red, which is Little Red Riding Hood in houses and trees. And Granny, I think she might be my second favourite after the wolf. Then Big Bad Wolf. He is dressed as a granny. Look at him. How can you not think he's adorable? Anyway, and then finally In the Woods, which has the hunter character. And then I'm going to show you the additional things I got, and then we'll finish on my new subscription. I have Red Riding Hood Hobonichi Cousin Kit. So here we have sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. I love those little doodle banners with all the heads of the various characters. And then I got the vinyl die cuts. The first one is Granny, the Big Bad Wolf, the Hunter, Red Riding Hood, and Granny's House. And then I got the washi duo. So let me get my swatch book out and we'll take a look at them. The first one is a 15mm and it's called Little Red Riding Hood, and the second one is a 10mm and it's called Once Upon a Time. So Little Red Riding Hood is a scenery style washi. It's faux glitter and it has the various characters within the forest, and there's Granny's house. Very cute. And Once Upon a Time is the heads of the different characters, and in between is a gold metallic apple, and it's on a red gingham background. And I'm normally not a fan of red, but the red in this collection is a very muted, cool tone red, so I actually don't mind it. Now, last but not least, let's take a look at the sticker subscription. This is the first time I have ever got it. So a few weeks ago, there was a communication sent out through their newsletter, and I actually think they communicated on their Facebook page too, but essentially they more than doubled their subscriptions in 1 month. And then the November month theme that released in September just went like that. They don't even have additional stock of it, because there's actually additional stock, by the way, of all this. So if you want to get these, you can't get the subscription, but you can get the Little Red Riding Hood theme stickers at the minute in the shop. But yes, they sent out the communication to say that they were closing down their subscription because they needed to be able to fulfill the orders of the current subscribers. And just with the amount of staff and the fact that they could produce their own stickers, they just didn't have the resources to be able to meet anymore. However, if they're able to in the future, they will reopen them. But I wanted next year to add the sticker subscription. So I had a bit of a panic thinking, well, I don't know how long it'll be before they reopen. So I went ahead and just subscribed now to make sure that I can get it. And if you're wondering why I didn't just go ahead and get the ultimate subscription instead of now ordering 3 subscriptions, there is a reasoning behind that. I'll not go into it now because I don't really know if you're interested. But what I'll do is let me know if you are interested in that reasoning. Last year I made a 2024 subscriptions talking about what comes in each subscription and the details of it. And I had a lot of feedback that you found that really helpful. So I'm going to do it again this year. It'll be coming up in a month or two because they will be releasing the January subscriptions and the 2025 subscriptions and stuff in November, I believe. So I'll make sure to recreate that video for 2025, and at the end of it I can discuss why I picked those particular options instead of just going for the ultimate. But anyway, let's take a look at the sticker subscription. So as with the journal subscription and the planner subscription, you'll get the bookmark, that's the speciality item for this month, as well as the 2 vinyl stickers and the 3 larger sticker sheets and the journal card. And then the actual sticker subscription itself is a variety pack. So the way the journal subscription will have the 5 small sticker sheets and the 5 journal setup sticker sheets, and the planner subscription will have the planner kit. You won't necessarily always get a sheet of washi stickers. It'll, like I said, it varies. It's a variety pack. But this one has 3 washi strips, faux washi. So we have mushrooms, apples, and then more mushrooms. Then we have 4 speciality food boxes that are on a thicker material. It's not card, but it's a lot thicker than their normal stickers. And we have the different zines. And then we get mushrooms and apples. And again, this is on a thicker paper. Excellent little space fillers. And then this is awesome. This is 1 large sticker of the Little Red Riding Hood book, Classic Fairy Tale. It has gold metallics on it, and it's 1 large sticker. I don't know if you can tell. And it feels like it's a vinyl sticker. So that's really awesome. And then circle stickers with This Book Belongs To. It's because of the storybook theme. You could put them on the front of any book. With the various characters inside. And then a sheet of trees and logs and bushes. And this is the thick cardstock again. And then an additional journaling card. It says Red Riding Hood Collection with Red Riding Hood. And finally, washi paper character heads. Aren't they really cute? So I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. I need to organise this all away because having stuff everywhere is giving me anxiety. But thank you so much for watching, and take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.
Please just tell me what's on your mind, 'cause I don't have time